Hello, amazing all-stars. Today is Thursday, May 5th. Let's find out what is on our calendar. We've been hopping around with the frog Tad, going to different numbers on our hundreds chart. Let's find out what we'll explore today. Yesterday, we found out Tad was on the number 53. 53. Let's see where he'll go today. Okay, Tad is on 53 now, but instead of going up and down, he goes to the right 1, 2, 3 spots. So let's pull out our number corner book that has the blocks on the top and the person made of shapes. That's the book I need you to pull out right now. Please, if you need to pause the video to get it, please do it. And remember, keep this book by you. You will be using it every single day for Number Corner this month. Blocks on the top and a person made of shapes. Once you have that information, we are going to go back to our chart, which we've been filling in, and we found out the last number Tad was on was 53. And we were told today on the calendar to go over 3 spaces to the right. So let's do that. We're on 53 and we go 1, 2, 3. Ooh, now we color in 56. So I'd like you to take the time now to color in the number 56 in your book. Once you've pulled out that page that we've been working on this entire week, and we'll find out where he goes tomorrow on our chart. The next thing we're going to do, after you do that, if you need to pause the video to finish it, you may. We are going to add another day to our chart. We made it to the 150th day. We are now going to take it to, we are now going to add another day to our chart, which will now make 151 days in school. 151. Ooh. We need to change this information. We didn't change this here. Oh. So this is now 151. We change all of this. I want to show you how you would write 151. It would be 100 plus 50 plus 1. Then we'd have 50 plus 50 plus 50 plus 1 to make 151. Now, the coins change. The coins change. And I'll show you how they change. I am going to show you. I know we love our dimes, so I'll keep those dimes. We'll add another dime, because if we add another dime, that makes 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150 cents, or $1.50. And then we add 1 penny to show 151. If you need to pause the video to look at all of this information again, I invite you to do that. I want to challenge you. Can you think of another group of coins that would make 151 cents or $1.51? And can you think of another math fact that we could put that would equal 151? I know you can do it. I believe in you. off you go.